Welcome back. My name is Kevin with Walker's Adventures. Glad you're here. If you're a first-time viewer on this channel, we don't have no set videos. We do DIY on the motorcycles, DIY on a travel trailer, truck, our travels around the United States, anything that we might find cool. We do videos on RV, park reviews, campground reviews. So we just do a wide range of videos on this channel. And if that sounds something like you'd like to see on a regular basis, please subscribe to my channel. And let's get into the video. And this is a package that we have been waiting about 3 weeks on to get. This is the socks for the back of the trike. So let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. And right here's the socks we got. And I don't think I told you, we have a 2003 Honda Goldwing Trike, which I will show you in just a second. Now you can see that's them. So let's go outside and look at the motorcycle. So right there's our trike. We do like it. Like I said, it's a 2003 Honda Goldwing 1800. And so as soon as I get the tires off, or one of the tires off, I'll show you the sock that we're going to replace and how to do it. So right there's the sock we're going to be replacing. You got one bolt there and one bolt there you got to take off. Okay, so on the top bolt, the biggest bolt, you're going to need a 3/4 box end wrench and a socket. And you see I got an adjustable socket. That way I can get more torque on it to get it off. So I'll show you once we get done. Okay, right there's the first sock. You see right there, it's bad, the bushing's gone. It just blew apart when I took it out, it completely came apart. Oh, the bottom small nut is a 1/2 inch. So you need a 3/4 and a 1/2 inch. So let's put the new one on. Actually, let's look at this and see what it looks like. Right there's the top. Right there's the bottom. So let's put the new sock in and see how that does. Well, I got the one sock off. You can see I've changed clothes now. Whenever you're doing DIY for yourself, I ordered the wrong socks. So now tomorrow I got to go get the right socks to put on there. So this goes to show you, you just can't give up. Linda's I was frustrated and stuff trying to make a round peg fit in a square hole. But Linda's really good and said you can do it, you just need to get the right part. So we're going to try it again tomorrow when I get the next sock. So not everybody's perfect when you're doing DIY. You just got to do the best you can do. And make sure you do it right when you do it. Well, it's me again. I want to give you an update on the socks. Because it's a 2003 Goldwing Trike, it's hard to find the right socks for it. It's an aftermarket trike kit. So we thought it was best to take it to a dealership and let them put the right stuff on there. Because I could make it walk for a year or what have you. But at the end of the day, if you got the money to fix it right, you just need to let the professionals do it. So I will let you know what it costs us to fix it. But, sometimes you just got to bite the bullet and say, this is above what I can do. So we're going to let the professionals do it. Well, we got the trike back today. And the grand total for the socks was $344. And they put a new front tire on, and I already paid for the tire on another bill, and it was $109 to install the tire. So it cost a grand total of $674 to fix the socks, which is really good. Changing socks ain't really that bad, but with the trike kit and me not knowing what kind of trike kit it was just more tolerance than I had time for. So, if you can't do it, you just need to let the professionals handle it and let them do it. But anyhow, we got it fixed so that we can go to Sturgis in a couple weeks. So that was really good. This is Kevin for Walker's Adventures. Thanks for watching.